If you want to fix missing add to bookmark option over here at the tab on your Google Chrome browser on Google Pixel 10, what you can do is you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and then proceed to settings. Now we're gonna scroll down in settings in order to find toolbar shortcut. And of course, this option should be enabled and you can choose add to bookmarks. Now, if you go back, you should be able to find the bookmarked option over here right next to, well, between the address and the page menu. Keep in mind that if your display size is too big, then there is a high chance that you won't see the add to bookmark option even if that option is enabled. So what you might need to do is go to settings. Let me actually show you how to access that. We're gonna open settings, go to display and touch, and then over here we have, not here, sorry. I think, there we go, display size and text. And you might want to use a lower display size. So let's see if this one works. Yeah, there we go. Now we have the add to bookmark option. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.